Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And after you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon. You can tap on it, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the brightness slider. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face like this. You can also adjust the screen brightness through settings, so you can swipe right on the home screen on the current watch face to open the menu. Then you can tap right here to open the whole list of applications. Then you can scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it, and here tap on display, brightness, and again you can adjust the brightness however you like, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.